I'm just gonna taste it, okay? These apples are like,
So, Mommy, better give me my spoon.
so good. Yeah, she wants.
Mommy, better give me my spoon. You better give me my spoon. She's licking everything.
It's good. What up, KJ fam? Welcome back to our channel. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of the video. Miss Jasmine, say hi everybody. Alright guys, so today's video, I'm gonna be making applesauce for my baby, my love. Jazzy, you ready for your applesauce? I'm gonna be making applesauce for her, you guys, and I wanted to show you how I make my homemade applesauce. Okay, all right guys, so I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna be using in the video, so let's get into it. All right, so I have my apples, and this is a steamer, and this is my blender. This is my baby blender. Okay, and so I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the apples, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, you guys, so after I cut and peel my apples, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the steamer. All right guys, so the steamer, how it works, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and place my apples on there. Okay, I'm just gonna steam this now, and then we'll steam the rest in a little bit. Okay, so now this steamer comes with a measuring cup, so it tells you, it comes with instructions how to steam and how much water to use, which number to use for what. So for apples, we're gonna do half a cup of water, so we're gonna go ahead and put the water in the steamer. Okay, and for the apples to be steamed, you're gonna do number 2. You see, 1, 2. Okay, after you press number 2, you're gonna let it steam for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, it's gonna beep. That means it's ready. Alright guys, so now that it's ready, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the blender. Okay, and put the rest of it on there. It's really hot, so be careful. Alright guys, so it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Okay, I'm gonna add as I go, just so it can be how I want it. So I'm gonna add as I go. I'm just gonna add a little bit for now, maybe like half of this. to get it started, okay? So, alright guys, so here we go. Alright you guys, so this is it. Ooh. Yeah. I'm just gonna taste it, okay? I taste everything. You guys, it's very, very yummy. It's sweet. So I ended up putting was it half a cup, like half of this of water in it, so it wasn't like a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and store them in here for her so I can put them in the fridge. Like I said, she's gonna have them in the morning. Okay, I'm making some beans for her so she can have for lunch or dinner, however. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here. That's it. She's gonna have this now because it's not all the way full. I'm not sure she's gonna eat everything, but I have 2 of these for her beans that I'm making right now. So if I need more space, I'm just gonna put them in the ones that are made for the freezer.
Mukbang. Look how she's smiling.
Oh, it's not bad.
There we go.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Y'all, look at her look at her bibs. Bless this mess. Bless this mess. This mess. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh. Sorry, no bushman. Jazzy turn. Jazzy turn. Jazzy turn. Jazzy, jazzy, jazzy turn. Ah. Got it all over your mouth. Y'all, she's looking at her dad acting a fool. Is it good?
You like it, Mom?
Y'all, it's so good. What? Can I have some? Can I have some?
No, Mommy.
Can Mommy have some? Okay, here. Y'all, I'm about to give it to her and see what she's gonna do. We gotta watch. Here, Mama. Mama. She wanna just stare at her dad. Hey.
Come on,
hey.
Mama. Say
Babu, here, have it. Have your spoon. Where's her right hand? Here. Here, my love. You're right here. Your spoon. Okay, I'm sorry. Mama's not laughing.
Don't let her.
No, but good. You don't have to chew the spoon, Mama.
God bless this mess.
Yo, I can't. Yo, I'm telling y'all, this applesauce is so good. Yo, this is a mukbang. I can't wait for you to eat other stuff so we can do a mukbang. Wah! 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 Good job.
Jazzy.
Good job, Babu.
Jazzy. Jazzy.
Say, Papa, can you let me eat? She's like, her eyes going all over.
Jazzy. Jazzy.
You messing with my boo-boo. Why are you messing with my boo-boo? These apples are like...
So, Mommy, you better give me my spoon.
So good. Yeah, she wants...
Mommy, you better give me my spoon. You better give me my spoon. She's licking everything.
It's good. It's yummy. It's yummy. Is it yummy? I think she loves the apples. She loves apples. Love the apples. Ah. 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 What should we have next?
I want some grapes. Grapes?
Well, we have the grapes here. We just have to
Grapes?
freeze them.
You want some grapes? Yes, I do.
Here.
You want some
Here, Mama.
grapes?
Here. Ah. Good job.
Let me see.
Yo, baby food is not bad after all. I mean, like Papa is eating my
Can I have
food.
some, Mama? Can I have some?
Papa's eating my food.
Can I have some? Mmm.
It's deuce.
Wow, I see why you like it.
Because it's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Here. A spoon. You want to hold it? Do you want to eat it? Here. Here.
Like, no, Mama, give it to me.
Here we go.
Mhm.
Ah. Yummy. Yummy. Alright guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You see, my baby enjoyed her applesauce. Try it and let me know what you guys think. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace. Jazzy said peace. Say peace.